Kilimo na biashara, mapema ndio best. I'm Mr. Njao, the consultant.
And I'm Lynette, the agronomist. And today we are going to look about plant nutrition. And the plant nutrition, we have major elements that are needed by crops for the growth. And these elements are grouped into two, which are macro and micro elements. And macro elements, these are elements that are needed in large quantity by the plant. And the example of these macro elements are nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus.
And we have micronutrients. Micronutrients are just needed in small quantity. And the examples are like iron, we have calcium, magnesium, boron, and manganese, etc.
Yes, and today we want to look the deficiencies. Majorly, maybe a farmer might not identify the specific deficiency the crop is suffering from. So we are going to look the signs of every deficiency. And for nitrogen deficiency, we'll start with nitrogen. Nitrogen deficiency, when you look the upper side of the leaf, it turns light yellow, and the lower leaves that are older, they are normally yellow. And when you come to calcium deficiency leads to stunted growth of the leaf. So when the leaf grows, you see there is some curves in the leaf. And for the fruits, when you want to identify calcium deficiency, you will see some black spot like a rot at the end of the fruit. We normally call it blossom end rot. And we have carbon dioxide deficiency. Carbon dioxide deficiency, you will find some white deposit on the upper surface of the leaf, and there is a stunted growth, and the leaf will start to die off from the tip going downward. And there is another element called phosphorus. And for phosphorus, there is that more greening of the leaf. You see the leaves are normally green, but for phosphorus deficiency, you will see the leaf is more dark green color than normal green of the leaf. And that one you will be able to identify that this is phosphorus deficiency. Yes.
Iron deficiency, one thing, the young leaves are yellow and white with green veins, and also the mature ones, they remain the normal ones. That's the iron deficiency. The second one, we have potassium. Potassium is that yellowing of the tips, especially on the edges. That especially or usually in young leaves. And the third one, we have manganese. So manganese is the yellow spot and all elongated holes between the veins. We have also manganese or magnesium. The lower leaves turn yellow from outside. So that's the deficiency of iron, magnesium, and manganese and potassium.
Yes. And for this, the nutrients that you should supply these nutrients, because each nutrient has its own use. For example, when we start with phosphorus in soil, it's used to enhance root development. And this one, you always apply it for strong root development during when the crop starts to grow. Yes. And there is nitrogen. Nitrogen, it is used for vigorous growth during vegetative growth. This one, it always helps the greening of the leaf. And the more the green, the more the photosynthesis. And this photosynthesis will enhance growth. And we have potassium. Potassium, they are majorly for fruit and flower development. These are the potassium is always needed majorly during flowering, and it is for the fruits, the crops that do flowers and fruits. And this one, it enhances fruit development and flowering, such that you will get more flowers, and the more you get more flowers, the more you get more fruits. Yes.
And still, we have calcium. Calcium. The work of calcium, or the role of calcium, is to make that hardening of cell wall. And still, to add on that, calcium still gives the farmer or the crop or the fruit itself a long shelf life. Then we have boron. Boron is good for pollination, and also it controls even abortion, that of inducing the flowers. And still we have what we call zinc. Zinc is also very important because of green coloring matter. So it's very important during that stage of pre-flowering stages. And to keep touch on us, you can search Lafel Kamande, so that you may continue enjoying this our new YouTube channel. So may God bless you. Bye.